Don't make a boring presentation.
Let me show you how to create a stunning and eye-catching PowerPoint presentation.
Insert a rectangle from the Shapes option and cover the entire slide with it. Then, add a flowchart from the Shapes option as well. Customize the colors of both the rectangle and the flowchart to create a vibrant, visually appealing slide. Insert a circle from the Shapes. Insert a picture from the gallery and crop it as needed. After inserting and cropping the picture, cut it. Then, right-click on the circle, choose Format Shape, select Clipboard under Picture or Texture Fill, and uncheck the Rotate with Shape option. Insert a text box and either write or copy-paste the content into it.
Enhance your presentation by adding supplementary images. Download an image, remove its background using any background removal tool, and insert it into the slide to make it more visually appealing.
Select the picture and choose Rotate Left 90 degrees from the Picture Format tab.
Duplicate slide 1 and follow the same process demonstrated in slide 1. Repeat the same process for all the slides. Finally, select all the slides and apply the morph transition. Now hit the slide show button and see the magic.
You have just learned how to create professional slides in PowerPoint.
Save the reel for the future and follow me for more such tips.